Today I show you this Airtag case that is made of soft rubber or silicone. I have two of these, but so far I only have one Airtag. There's gonna be a new version of the Airtag coming soon, so I hope the size will be matching, but these were not very expensive. Yeah, let's see. Probably this came as a pack of two. Let's see what's inside the box here. So it's nice soft stuff. So you insert the Airtag in this. This is really soft. It has this thing like a lid, and that's a sign that tells you that this goes inside, and that's how it's closing. I'm not so sure how safe this is in case it might be removed and then the Airtag comes out and the battery comes out. So if you want to be sure, you might have to put some kind of tape around it. Yeah. Now the Airtag is sitting in this case, and this is pretty safe because there's no way to remove the Airtag from this case unless you break it or you remove it from the keychain. So I'm not sure if this is better or worse. Probably it's worse, this plastic one with the hole. I never really like these ones, those Airtag holders with the hole, removable hole, that it's easy to remove it like that. But it seems to be smaller than this one, so there's a bit of a size difference. Yeah, I'll see how to install it and we'll see about that. I'll do that in a future video. But this is what to expect when you get one of these really cheap Airtag holders with the hole in the middle. You have to insert the Airtag by force. Probably it will not be easy to remove it anyway, so I think it should be fine. Thanks for watching.